Jennifer Karen. I'm the CEO of SB Expos Events. We're a full-service convention management and trade show sales company that works exclusively with associations, and we also work exclusively with the Cadmium Event Scribe products. We are known in the association world for doing non-dues revenue production, which means we sell exhibits and sponsorships, of course, but we also sell non-dues revenue throughout the year. Webinars, advertising on the website, advertising in newsletters, e-blasts out, anything that promotes non-dues revenue. We also have found really ingenious ways to put different advertising on the different Event Scribe products. So on the app, on Expo Harvester, on the website, anything we can do to maximize revenue, but of course, doing it in a way that doesn't affect accreditation. We have 5 different departments. One department is our registration department. We have our trade show sales department. We have another team of 8 in our trade show operations department. Then we have a 4-person meetings team, and then our tech department. Our tech department is quite unique. We do app website development for our current clients. We do lead retrieval for our current clients, but we also have an entire new set of services that we're calling Cadmium Premium Implementation. So let's say you're a Cadmium customer and either lost your one staff member who knows Cadmium really well, or your staff is so busy they don't have time. You can hire us to either do your onboarding, your implementation, go on site and be your app support desk, your speaker ready room desk, as well as on-site badging. So we'll come on if you're doing registration in-house and you just need help with the badging, we can take care of it. So full service, partial service, and then just very temporary tech support. We're here to help you run the best meeting you can. We work with 45 different associations on a combination of their trade show, annual convention, and smaller events throughout the year. What's unique about SB is we only work on the Cadmium platform, so all of our associations work on at least one Cadmium module. We have decided to use Cadmium as our only tech stack because we feel like, especially for medical and scientific societies, but all accredited programming conventions for associations, that it's the best system out there to manage speakers, to register attendees, to sell exhibits and sponsorships, to utilize Survey Magnet for accreditation. We think it's the best system out there. We have 30 staff members who are experts in every single module of Event Scribe. If you want to learn more about some of the case studies we've done, we have an entire web page dedicated to the case studies where we've helped associations maybe move from a different platform over to Expo Harvester, for example, or how we were able to monetize and utilize EdgeReg better, or on-site badging. So come take a look, discoversb.com, and then case studies. We have quite a bit of case studies of how we used Cadmium and optimized its performance for that specific association. I'm very intrigued about the coming involvement of private equity into associations. Every large association knows that private equity is buying association trade shows. And now they're starting to buy associations. And so the smaller and mid-sized associations should be looking at this now. A lot of different industry associations like ASAE, PCMA, IAE are starting to have sessions about this. What does an association look like when private equity is involved? What does it look like when the association doesn't own its own convention or trade show, when it's owned by somebody else and they get a percentage of the profits? What does it look like when that 501c3 or 501c6 is involved with private equity, and can it be turned into a for-profit? This is the major trend that I'm watching right now. I'm intrigued about how association leaders are thinking about this in the future. So if you're interested, please contact us on our website, discoversb.com. There's case studies to explain more about this. You can go on LinkedIn, which is SB Expos Events, and then feel free to email us at info@discoversb.com. We're happy to have ideas on how you can maximize using your Cadmium Event Scribe.